Hello everyone. In session 14 of Computer Application in Business subject of 5th semester BBA affiliated to Bangalore University, we are going to discuss about Unit 2, that is Types of Information System. Under that a subtopic Model of MIS. The learning objective of this chapter is to provide an overview of different types of information system to the students. After listening to this session, the students will be able to describe a model of MIS. Now let us come to the discussion part of this session, which is model of MIS. All of us till now we have discussed about the basics of MIS, Management Information System. Now let us consider how a model of MIS looks like and what are the contents and components of this model. So let us see what is a model mean for in an environment of MIS. In the information system environment, a model means it is a representation through which or an outline of an environment of a system, or we can also say it means it's a characterizing a system based on some parameters like mathematical or statistical equation which helps to identify the relationship between the data set. So model is nothing but a representation through which we will be able to understand the interconnection or the relationship between different components of the system. Next, in this basic model of MIS, the model consists of database, software to write the reports, and mathematical models where the mathematical equation, and the environment in which data which is processed and through which the information can be retrieved. So this is a basic information about a model. So this model can be represented, this content of a model can be represented in this way. See, in this whole graphical representation of the model of an MIS, we can observe input. Here this is the input, process, output, and in this is the whole environment. See here, this is the environment and the data providers, the data source or business environment. So where the source of data, the data is available in a business through the example vouchers, vendors invoice or sales receipts, and there are many sources of data available. So this is where data providers and the data source is available, and then that data is put in the environment input as input, and there is a process. Here in the process, the information, the input will be processed, and in the process of this there will be a mathematical or statistical calculations through which the output can be retrieved or output can be generated. So in this process of input to process to output, we have something called control, and there is a data storage, and there are some procedures to be followed. See here, the procedure means some sequential steps or step-by-step procedures adopted or to be followed in a system. So when we follow such procedure, we will be able to arrive at the output. And what is control here? Control is nothing but the quality to be maintained to ensure the quality of information system. Here quality means, here the control component means also the security which is to be maintained for the generated information, which is very important, maybe sensitive financial information of a company, which is to be secured with some password, and it is also where we can say trustworthy. Each system is covered by its own boundary. See here, this is the information system boundary, maybe which separates one system from other system. And also we can see this information which is ready now, which is information destination, is nothing but the end user who are using this information. It can be insider or the outsider. So inside the company means the management and employees, and outsiders means the consumers or investor and any government, tax department or anybody. But here the boundary is what it separates from the other, that is outsiders. So in that way, the input is processed, and after processing, output is retrieved, and these, while processing, data is stored in the memory, that is motherboard, and in that way there are memory units, that is main memory and secondary memory. So these are all the different components of an information system which is represented through this model. Okay, and also when we say the system means, system is nothing but here, again I am repeating, information system or information technology, and input process through the program where we will get the output, and also there is a storage for such process. And further to about the system, we have data. In the previous slide I have told you database, report writing software, and mathematical model and environment, data and information, all these are covered here. And when we say people may be the financial manager, accountant, and end user or consultant or customers. These end users are the person for whom purpose this is prepared output. Maybe for the purpose of presentation, management wants to present, so for presentation purpose, or for report preparation purpose, and planning and decision making purpose, and different users have different purposes for which they will use the output or retrieved information. And software, see here, we can give some examples like here software can be developed by employees of the company, or it could be outsourced to the external person or external consultancy or agency. Even software can be in a business environment. We can say the examples of Tally, SAP, Microsoft, Small Business Accounting, Oracle, PeopleSoft, like that. So these are all the system software which is being developed. So each and every management information system will have its own model, how it can be represented. So this is about a software. And all of us know that about the hardware part. Hardware is nothing but the tangible part of the system, such as computer, printer, keyboard, CPU, desktop, and even CD, DVD. All these are the physically tangible parts of the system. Physically, which is visible, tangible parts of the system. So this is about the hardware. And software we discussed. Control also we discussed. So this is about the overall picture of the model of a management information system. Now let us discuss on the multiple choice questions. First question, the basic model of MIS contain database, report writing software, mathematical model, and fourth choice is all of the above. Yes, all these first three choices are there as a part of MIS. So all of the above is the answer. Which of the statement is correct? The database contents are used by the software that produces periodic and special reports. The mathematical models stimulate various aspects of company's operations. Here there are two statements. Both are correct. Both statements are correct. Next is MIS gets its data from, most of the time MIS gets its data from transaction processing unit, and this we will be discussing in the coming sessions. What is TPS? Of course, so most of the time MIS gets its data from the TPS. So answer B is the answer. Fourth question, types of reports prepared by the MIS. Periodic reports, special demand reports, and all of the above. Of course, the reports, all type of reports are prepared by the MIS. Which is the correct statement here? MIS have interface with the TPS. MIS do not have interface with the TPS. First one is the answer. As just now I told, most of the time MIS gets its information from the TPS. So these are all the few references. Thank you.